So these are going to be the faces of the mallet. Bring it back up.
Dude.
Black stuff coming off. Is that the metal melting away or no?
It's not the metal melting away. Look at that. You're a tool-using monkey. So the one will be 8 in the center, 7 on each side.
Right. And so I feel like this is such an iconic emblem of Scooby-Doo that I would really like it to be the pommel stone.
Perfect. That's great.
And is it better to do it with the edge or right in the middle?
Probably the edge. The back gauge.
Whoa.
Taking the weld down.
So just a few more hours of... So watch out for your thumb.
What are we doing? We're just smoothing it out?
Smoothing it out, taking the hammer marks out there, giving it some bevels on the edge of the blade. Oh my God. Oh my God. 2 hands is still. This is a hammer. Well, you know. This is a hammer. That's a hammer.
Sometimes you gotta duck, you know?
Hello, ladies. Stuck a fork in him. He's done.
This is a classic.
Fun.
You are the pan, sir. You are the pan.